Moosend review, pricing, and product features. Is Moosend the best email marketing tool? Complete Moosend review. Moosend is an email and marketing automation platform, built to help upgrade business campaigns, with dynamic tools and features. These days, with so many email platforms to choose from, Moosend sets itself apart, by giving its users a straightforward, yet robust interface coupled with extensive analytics, allowing for a more streamlined, dependable and effective marketing campaign. What it offers. Moosend is chock full of features, all of which are geared to assist its users in creating, launching and managing their campaigns. Drag and drop editor. Easily create powerful and eye-catching newsletters, that requires no coding or designing know-how with Moosend's drag and drop editor. Choose from the hundreds of design themes, that can be viewed on any device with ease. Dynamic automation. Never have to worry about missing a step, or forgetting to send out newsletters, and email campaigns on time. Moosend gives you the power to automate your workflows, which translate to positive conversions rates. Essential details. Analytics is essential to a marketing campaign's success. With Moosend, all the important information relevant to your campaign, which allows you to make campaign decisions based on applicable data, resulting in an effective improvement to future email campaigns. Design freedom. Moosend gives its users the ability to create robust landing pages, and subscription forms in minutes. Whether you're just beginning, or already a seasoned professional, Moosend's design tools will help you create powerful and fast-loading landing pages, that will not just pique the interest of your target audience, but will also perform well across all devices, from mobile phones to tablets and desktops. All of that without needing to hire third-party designers or coders. Everything you will ever need is right at your fingertips. Get the right support. Moosend users have lauded its platform's stellar customer support. Anytime you run into something that's stumping you, or need to know more about a certain tool or feature, Moosend's Help Center is a few clicks away to the solution you're searching for with its extensive knowledge base, webinars and tutorials. Free for life. Do you want to try out Moosend to see if it will deliver the solutions you need? Sign up for free. If the free version works for you, you can keep using it as long as you need to. This is especially great for users with 1,000 or less subscribers. Take advantage of the free version with all of Moosend's core features at absolutely zero cost. For users with more than 1,000 subscribers, Moosend has the Pro and the Premium price points. You get all the core features and more. Brand trust. Currently, many known brands across different industries use and trust Moosend for their email marketing campaigns. This is because Moosend delivers on their promises of ease of use, straightforward user interface, powerful and effective marketing campaign tools that yield promising and significant results. Sign up now and start creating email campaigns that will truly give your business or brand the edge it needs to convert more leads into sure sales.